Hi everyone, welcome to Ludnox podcast, where we delve into the inspiring journeys of individuals who have transformed their career through our training and learning program. Today, we have the pleasure of speaking with Shashank Rana, who have recently completed Salesforce admin training with Ludnox. Hi Shashank, welcome to the show.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure is all mine.
Shashank, could you please let our audience know about yourself, like your qualification, your sort of experience if you're having?
So, my name is Shashank. I'm 25 years old. I have done my graduation in business administration back in 2019, and after that, I have done my MBA major in human resource and minor in finance back in 2021. And between that, I got an internship program with a company. I used to work over there as an HR trainee. It was for 3 to 4 months, and after that, completing that. I go back to my college and I completed my MBA program, and after that I have done with a few interviews where I got a open position for the role of USIT recruiter, and I worked over there for 3 years.
So Shashank, you have mentioned you have done BBA, then MBA. So after passing 12th senior secondary education, what made you to decide you should go for a BBA? Like in India, there are a lot of option available. Like the student want to do some professional courses, they used to opt for a BTech or a BBA. आपने BBA क्यों choose किया? Why not BTech or why not BSc or BA?
As various youngsters in India, they are confused. I was also confused at that point of time, but my father, he acted as a mentor for me, and he, give me mentorship about, the various programs related to the management courses of, commerce courses. From that I choose BBA because BBA, I think it is more into business administration, and I was pretty good in the business operations and business management.
So after BBA, बहुत सारी companies होती हैं जो कि like a person who is holding professional degree like BBA वो उनको offer कर रही होती हैं. So आपने कोई offer क्यों नहीं opt किया और फिर MBA करने का क्यों plan किया? That too in major HR और finance के लिए.
So after completing my BBA, I didn't opt for a job because I was more into studying about the management course. So I wanted to learn more about how in depth things work in. So after that I opt human resource. I studied over there. How people work in company, and how to put the right person in a right place so that the further operations of the business can go in a good direction. And I learned about the finance over there as well. So my major goal was to completing the MBA and then after getting the job.
Okay, so can you please let us know what was your experience? Like you have freshly graduated, you have done BBA then MBA, then आपने जब internship कर रहे थे during your masters, during your MBA, so आपका experience कैसा था?
It was pretty good. It was unexpectedly, what I have read in the books, and I was implementing it into the real life scenarios. It was pretty awesome, and I have learned few more things, while practicing it in my internship program, and that helped me boost in getting my confidence, and working in the business environment or in the organization environment.
So after doing MBA, आपने 3 साल job करी as a US IT recruiter. फिर what made you to take a decision? Like आप 3 साल का experience आपके पास हो गया था, जो कि अच्छा खासा experience होता है for a fresher. फिर आप IT में क्यों move करना चाहते हो? What made you to choose कि आपको Salesforce की training लेनी है, Salesforce में career बनाना है?
So working as a US IT recruiter, I have worked on various technologies, but my major focus was on CRM technologies, and I have seen Salesforce over there growing from the last 2 or 3 years, how clients are demanding, and I specifically choose to move my career into admin role as compared to development because I know my strength and weaknesses in the technical area. So and I wanted to be more interactive with the client and get the thing done in the right direction.
So how was your experience learning Salesforce admin with Ludnox?
It was a pretty good experience learning Salesforce through Learnox. I have go through various institutes, and I talked to few people. They suggested me that the Learnox has the best program, and I have seen that the various institutes are providing online training, but the Learnox have the offline facility as well. That was the unexpectedly pretty good, and I get a hands-on experience working over here.
So, can you imagine a typical day with training and learning program, and let us our audience know how was your typical day used to be in training?
So the day starts with the our sessions, where we learn about the few topics, and after that they give us the real life scenario based questions which we have to solve and present as well. So it goes through our technical as well, and well as our representing skills, uh, and it was pretty good with the teachers who teaches us, has a certified trainers as well. So it was.
So, Sasank, your journey has been very diverse, like from management to IT. So, what kind of challenges you have faced while learning Salesforce?
So I'm, as you told, that I'm purely from a non-technical background. I've faced challenges with the various technological terms which I am not familiar with, but the trainers are so good that they used to explain us in a very effective manner, and they help us out with getting the things sorted, and so this is probably.
Was the trainer available all the time with you?
Yeah, they help us every time, whenever we face any challenges, or over the call, or in the real time we can go up to them and ask them that this is the problem and we are not getting it solved. So they help us really a lot with those things.
And now you have secured a job as a Salesforce admin trainee at Cloud Analogy. How does it feel? And how Learnox assist you to get this job?
I'm very excited to start my career as a Salesforce administrator trainee with Cloud Analogy, in which Learnox really helped me in getting the things done, because they scheduled my mock interviews and they made me ready for the real time interviews. They scheduled my mock interviews, which really helped me in getting the interviews done perfectly and get this position.
So, reflecting on your journey, what kind of advice you would like to give to someone who want to switch their career from non-IT to IT field?
So for someone who is coming from non-IT to IT, my suggestion is that he has to calculate all the risk that is coming into his path. But it is not impossible for someone to coming from non-IT to IT. It is pretty hard, but it is not impossible. First thing is that he has to calculate all the scenarios, and he has to calculate which technology he has to go in, and he has to do market research, who is providing the best services in that technology, or who is providing the best institute services in that technology. But for me, if I go and if I look for the Salesforce, I get to know from the people that the Learnox is the best program, and yeah, so that's why I choose Linux. If I suggest someone who is going to move his career into Salesforce, Linux will be the best platform.
So, Sasank, how excited you are to start a new career as a Salesforce admin trainee with Cloud Analogy?
uh, I'm excited to start my career as a Salesforce administrator trainee with Cloud Analogy, in which the Learnox helped me to get this. As it was a dream for me to come into IT and get the IT job in current market situation. It was very tough, where Learnox helped me by scheduling my mock interviews. They help us to get us trained, and
Thank you so much, Shashank, for your time and joining us. Your journey has been really inspiring for us. I must say, this podcast is going to help a lot of student or working professional who want to switch their career from non-IT to IT. They will be inspiring through this podcast. I wish you very good luck to start your new career as a Salesforce admin training with Cloud Analogy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and a pleasure was all mine for having me here today.
Thank you.